At Baby Piano, we believe music is one of the most powerful ways for young children to learn and grow. From the very beginning, rhythm, movement, and sound help build focus, confidence, and connection, all while nurturing a lifelong love of music. Our early years pathways offer music programs for children from infancy to age 5, starting with Music and Me, where parents and children explore rhythm and sound together through playful hands-on activities. As children grow, they can move into instrument-based classes like our Baby Piano, Baby Violin, Ukulele, and Baby Drum programs. Each one is carefully designed to support early development, from fine motor skills and pitch recognition to posture, coordination, and ensemble playing. Across all our programs, children learn more than music. They practice listening, following cues, working with others, and discover the joy of expressing themselves through sound. Give your child the gift of a musical foundation that will last a lifetime. Visit kingswaymusic.ca to learn more.